Hello, welcome to Spy Money. Let's talk about the new bot we released today. I've been working on it for the last several days, had the indicator all built up and everything, and got the bot out. Today we run 5 contracts. I run it from 9, what is that? The first trade was kicked on at 9:44 this morning, 15 minutes after open. The only reason that it was turned on then is because I was testing out some stuff and I run this all day. As you can see, there's more trades here that it would have made and been good. So the white is shorts and the blues are longs. And it worked really well today. A lot of good trades. $14,375. This was untouched. And I'm going to show you there's a lot of places, like right here, I would not have allowed that to went that far. I would have had my stop in here. So we're playing with settings right now. It's doing really well. A lot of people made money on it today, running it on live accounts, and they did very well. This one right here, pretty good. By 10 o'clock, it had already made over $4,000 by 10 o'clock. That's how much it had made. And as you can see right here, I would not have allowed a stop to go this far. But again, this was untouched. I just turned it on, let it run, see what it would do. And it did very well. A lot of losses in here that would actually have been not as bad and also profitable. So go through here, we'd kind of look at them all through here. Now we have profit targets on these, but if we had been touching this, we would have had our levels up here and we would have moved our profit targets. But again, untouched. A lot of people want to see results of untouched. This one right here, we would not have allowed these stops to go this far. And you can see these down here are profitable. So if you had managed the trade yourself with the bot, you would have actually been up higher than this right here. But this is untouched. So we go through here. There's some few losses in here that we would not have had. Go back through. Really good wins right here. As soon as it gets in trend, it's doing real well. I did make another indicator, and I added it to the bot today. We're going to test it out, and it's a trend finder. So the trend finder, we want it to only take like shorts when it's in a short trend and longs in a long trend. So I'll post a video of how that thing works later. And as you can see here, we had this right here would have been a very good run. And if you were managing this, you would let it run. You could have made a lot more money. Today was a really good day to make some money. There was a lot of good trend and a lot of good trades out there today that did very well. But you can look through here. It actually did well. Again, this is 5 contracts. So this is all the trades today. It does a pretty good job. I think it's going to do even better when we turn the trend finder on with it. And it only takes the trades in the trend that should be going. So I think that's going to help it out a bunch. But again, 5 contracts, that's what, almost $3,000 a contract. No, actually, take that back. That is what, $2,100 a contract. So if you'd had $1,000 in here for the contract, then you could have made roughly $2,100 running the same settings. Go back through, like through here, what we do is as soon as we have a losing trade, we draw chop zones. And so none of these other trades, we would have lost money here, but we would not have lost money through there. We would not have made money here either, but it would have started making money down through here. And that's the way we run them. But this is all the trades today. And right at the end, I let it run. This one right here was a loser. But it is 4:01, 16:01. That's 1 minute after close. No, we don't run bots then, but it ended up taking the loser. This was up, I think it was like $700 or $800. It was up. But again, I didn't touch it. I let it go, and then it took one more trade here. And if I hadn't have paused it, I paused it when this entered. If I hadn't paused it, it would have picked up another trade here. So this would have been well over $15,000. So it did very well. How do you get started with this? Well, you go into our website, SpyMoneyLSC.com. Go to Ninja Suite up here at the top. When you click on that, it's going to give you two options. What you want is the bots. If you don't want the bots, you can do the indicators, but most everybody does the bots because the bots is where the money is. You click on this, and then you can sign up. Here's some information about it. We do not have all these bots on here. I'm going to change this tonight, and I took off a lot of them because I think I went down to about 5 bots, and that's the ones we use. Some of these on here are pretty good bots, but it was we found that the others make more money than them, so there's no sense even having them up there. So we went down to about 5 bots. The Man of War and the Cobra are our two best bots. They work very well. Indicators, I've got more indicators than this. I got the different add-ons, trade copier toolbars, the drawing tools. Here is a list of questions. If you go there, I guarantee you that probably your question is in this right here. If you just read this, it will answer probably every question you've got. I'll be amazed if your question is not answered here. The other thing you can do is a funded account. If you are looking to trade someone else's money, you can pick one of these 3. I think that these 2 right here are probably the better of the 3. As far as the best entries and stuff, they all vary. Funded accounts aren't trading like live accounts. Live accounts trade much better. Here's some examples of the differences between them. And here's some coupon codes. If you want to sign up, use my coupon codes here, and that will get you discounts. 50% on Apex, 40% on Take Profit, 40% on U Profit. And you use those, and that'll help you out and save you some money. If you need to, say your computer is not quite up to par, and your computer is maybe a little slow, but you don't have the extra cash to buy one, a VPS would be your next best thing. Pay $85 a month. My server is located in Chicago, so it's close to the exchange, so your executions are better than if you live, say, in Florida. And, every millisecond makes a difference. So we run 8 gig RAM, and it's 80 gig hard drive. It's got 2 processors on it. It's very quick. Speeds are up to a terabyte on the internet, and that does a very good job. Never really have any complaints out of anybody with it, and I use it daily. I think it works really well. If you have any questions, you can contact us. If you fill out the contact form, put your information in there, and then what we use as far as any questions you have, put it in here. If you need to talk to me, put your phone number in. Best time to talk to you, and I'll try my best to call around then. I am the one that takes care of this. I will be talking to you, so it will help you out as far as you don't have to go through a bunch of different people. You talk to the owner. But if you have any questions, let me know. I appreciate it. And again, take another look. $14,375 untouched. I never did one thing except pause it right here for the end of the day, and it would have made more money. Have any questions, let me know. Look forward to getting you into the Discord. You can see all the money in there and see all the conversations. Help you out and make you a better trader. Have a great day.